I'm with Chris Knerl, athletic trainer and strength and conditioning specialist. Chris, I know for skiing you want to build strength and you have to lift weights to do that. And I see this contraption in the gym, so tell me how to use it.
Okay, this is called a trap bar, otherwise known as a hex bar. You're gonna step inside the bar here. So this is kind of a combination between a squat and a deadlift. We're gonna work on a lot of core. We're gonna work on back strength here, grip strength, but primarily it's gonna be glutes and quads.
Okay,
right?
yeah.
So go ahead and grab hold of those top rungs.
Okay.
All we're gonna do, we're gonna sit back, flat back, engage those muscles back here,
Okay.
and go ahead and drive through your feet and lift that up. All right, back down, tap, and go. Good. Nice. Perfect form. We usually do about 8 of these. Very good, Brenda. All right, and recover. Beautiful.
Woo!
Yeah.
That was
right?
fun. I feel like I need to lift more weights because that was really fun. Okay, so does this make it safer to have this bar going around you? It felt easier to do than taking a huge bar and...
So it's a safer position, right? But it also, a lot of times when you just stack a weight on your back,
Yeah.
you know, you're putting a lot of strain on the back and you have to focus a little bit more on your core. With this, holding that weight, you're automatically gonna increase that tension through your core so you can put more weight into those legs. And you notice with this bar, it's got handles on the bottom. So if you wanna go a little bit lower, it's also got handles that are raised up a little bit. And then we put some blocks under there just to put you in a safer position, right? So don't worry about going from the floor, lift it up a little bit to start. And then as you get more comfortable with it, you can go deeper in that depth.
Okay, and I'm strengthening my quads, my glutes. I felt my hamstrings, I felt my back, my core.
You're gonna feel everything, total body. So think about all the different impacts that you take while skiing. What happens when you hit a bump or you hit some crud, right? You have to have the strength to be able to absorb that force.
Yeah, and to make a clean carved turn, you're bending the ski. So we gotta keep our strength up to continue our good skiing.
You got it.
Okay, this is a good one. Hex bar.